Hello, everyone. In this session, we will understand how to use text align and text count command in ZWCAD. These are very useful command whenever we have misaligned text and maybe we want to number them. With help of these commands, we can do it very easily. So, let us understand that to do it in ZWCAD. Here in ZWCAD, you can see that I have multi-text. This is a multi-line text, not multi-text. This is also multi-line, and I also have a single line text in between. Here you can see. That's why its size is a little different. That you can define. You can scale it a little bit in case if you want to align properly, like want to keep the similar type of size. So that is somewhat similar. And this is another multi-line text. So first of all, to align all these things all together, we can use the text align command. You simply need to type text align. You will see it will give you the suggestions. I can choose the command from suggestions and then select text objects to align. So I can select all of them. You also have alignment option here, like how you want to align. You can see select alignment directions, left, center, right. So by default, it is setting to the left. I'm okay with that. You can also go for the options where you can define like current verticals, distribute, set spacing, current verticals or current horizontal. So current vertical is fine with me because I want to align vertically. Hit enter key, then select the objects you want to align together. I'm selecting all of them, hit enter key. After that, it will ask you to select text object to align to. So like I want to align all these text objects with respect to it. Click on it and there we go. Now see, you just need to define the direction. I'm going vertically down and there we go. All the texts are aligned with respect to each other with respect to the first object, whether it is a multiple text, multi-line text, or the single line text. Now the next option is I want to define numbers, like I want to number them 1 2 3 4 so on. So that can be done using TCOUNT tool. So you simply need to type TCOUNT and then select the objects again. I'm going to select all these objects, enter. And after that, how you want to align them. So you can see short selected objects by X, Y, or select order. So there are a couple of options I want to define with respect to the Y axis this time. So I'm going to click on Y and then specify the starting number. So you can see it is already giving me an option 1 and increment is also set to 1. So that is all up to you. Let's say I want to define it as maybe 101 and increment I'm just keeping as 1. Then hit enter key, then any prefix you want to specify, it will ask you in the command line window override prefix, suffix, find and replace or prefix. I'm just going to hit enter and there we go. You will see 101 2 3 4 105 106 and 107, and that's how we can easily complete this task. I'm sure that is clear to you. Thank you so much.